Los Angeles, Ruf and Singer have been cloning their products for years, developing instantly recognizable products with a character all their own. But Gunther Werks is the new kid in town, with a different vision: to create an air-cooled 911 GT3 RS with modern tech, using a Porsche 993 Carrera 2, the final iteration of the original air-cooled 911 as the starting point. An ambitious goal, and we're here in Southern California to see if Gunther Werks can deliver. The 400R looks polished from the outside, but all it takes is a corner or three to realize this thing means business. But so do Ruf and Singer. So how's the Gunther unique? What really separates the car from the pack is the sense of cohesion that the entire project oozes. The GT3 inspired theme influences every choice on the car. It's not simply a modified Porsche, it's an attempt to build a Porsche that never was. Neither money nor time were spared, and the final product shows that. Power is immediate and fierce. Revs rise and fall with a weightless ease thanks to a lightweight single-mass flywheel. A sport button just the head of the shifter opens the tap on the exhaust baffles and adjusts the engine map to deliver all 431 horsepower, up from 400 horses with the baffles closed. Peak power comes at the 7,800 RPM breadline. Power doesn't fall off at all, and Charlie said that there was potential for more at the top end. Revs were capped at 7,800 to help engine life and reliability. But don't be surprised if customer cars come with a little extra oomph on request. Gunther Werks also fitted a handsome, clean interior. The comfortable fixed-back carbon fiber seats are wrapped in houndstooth and Alcantara, though an owner tired of today's Alcantara craze might swap it for the black leather found on the rest of the cabin. Gunther Werks appears to have a variety of options available. The build quality is superb. Everything looks and feels like it might have come that way from the factory. Now, all of this time, money and engineering doesn't come cheap. The 400R starts at $525,000, and that doesn't include the cost of the donor 993. Various options and add-ons like carbon fiber floor mats can send the price even higher. Only 25 will be built, and nearly every one is already earmarked for a customer. That speaks volumes about what Gunther Werks has created here.